Yo! What up, everybody? Today I finally got my manifold, turbo manifold. I've been waiting on a new turbo manifold since I took my car apart. I think October. And I've just been waiting for a new manifold. Then kept getting delayed. And then I try to find, first off, I try to find people that made it, because not really a lot of people made it. But let's just open it up and see first, and then we'll see what's up. So I already opened it. Well, I started opening it, and then I said, why not record this? So here we are. Let me just get my headpiece. Alright guys, so here we are. This is gonna finally get things going for my car. Let's see. This looks kind of small. I thought it would be a bigger box, to be honest. Oh, it's pretty heavy. Boom. Damn, this thing look nice. Small as hell too. I don't know why I expected it to be bigger, but this thing is pretty heavy. So yeah, here's my new turbo manifold. And as you can see, it's made by Schmuck Built. And shout out to him. He actually, he was like very fast to respond, and he actually made this really fast. Probably took him I don't even know when he sent this out. The total time since the day I ordered it, I think it was like 2 weeks. But as you see here, this is a V-band turbo manifold, and right here is where my wastegate is gonna go. I got a 60mm Turbo Smart, so obviously it's gonna go connected like this. Wastegate is gonna be tucked, and let me get my other one so you guys can see comparison, because I'm curious too. Let's see. Here is the old turbo manifold I had. It's full race, and it's a T4 manifold. So the reason why I was having a hard time getting a manifold, because I wanted a V-band. Just, it makes it easier to take off. And, I figured since I took my motor apart and I was doing it all over, why not do it how I wanted it? Like, with what I wanted. So yeah, this is kind of a little smaller, but this is actually heavier. So yeah, so this is on this. It's a twin scroll manifold. I had two 38mm wastegates, and now I'm just running 160 down there. So trying to go for like, that worked fine. There was nothing wrong with that. It was just, I decided let me switch it up a bit and go for a little more tucked look. So now I won't have a wastegate up top. It'll just be tucked on the bottom. You probably won't really see it. Maybe just the lines running. And yeah, so I figured, I knew I wanted a V-band. It'll be easier, like I said, to take off the turbo or anything if I ever have to. And Yeah, it was literally, nobody really makes this. A lot of people have the, you know, this regular T3, T4 flange in stock. So I could have obviously found this with a 60 mil right here, like the T4 flange with a 60 mil, but I wanted a V-band. So yeah, I had to get it custom. And yeah, I mean, I finally found somebody, and he's pretty local, not even too far from me. So yeah, this is the piece I've been waiting for, and yeah, this thing looks so good. What I'm probably going to do is get it Cerakoted, you know, to protect from the heat. Same thing I did with this. I'll probably do the same color too. Well, that's a little dirty now, but probably do like charcoal, either that or wrap the turbo. But I think I'll probably do Cerakote better instead. So yeah, man. Excited now. I could make some moves. Pretty much like, well, I am also, now I'm probably gonna have to get a new downpipe and readjust the turbo piping. Hopefully it's not too much, but yeah, that I'll probably be selling or raffling, I'm not sure, along with the turbo, because I did get a new turbo. You know, I got a, like I said, I got a V-band manifold, so I mean, I got a V-band turbo. I won't be able to run the same precision turbo on this unless I just change the back housing on the turbo, but I just got a new turbo. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. What would you do? Would you get a V-band manifold style or T4, T3? I don't know, I just like being different. I mean, there are people who have this, but not as many. This is obviously the regular, the go-to. But yeah, till next time, guys.